There are 5 American vehicles that experienced mechanics across the United States are actively buying and stockpiling right now. Not collectors, not enthusiasts. Working mechanics who service vehicles for a living, who see firsthand what modern manufacturing produces, and who have decided they want nothing to do with what is coming in September of 2027. This video documents exactly which 5 vehicles they are buying, the specific reason every mechanic recognizes the value, and why the prices on these trucks and cars are going to double within the next 18 months. Pay attention to the numbers in this video because the buyers acquiring these vehicles today are not paying yesterday's prices. They are paying tomorrow's prices, and they are doing it deliberately. First, the deadline that is driving the entire market. Section 24220 of the 2021 Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act requires the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration to finalize rules mandating advanced impaired driving prevention technology in every new passenger vehicle sold in the United States. The implementation deadline is September of 2027. Infrared cameras tracking driver eye movement, sensors monitoring breath and behavior, systems that can refuse to start the vehicle or limit its speed based on the technology's assessment of the driver. The biometric data these systems collect is not protected by federal privacy law. Insurance companies, data brokers, and law enforcement can request access. There is no opt-out provision for buyers. Every new passenger vehicle sold in America after September of 2027 will include this technology as standard equipment. This is the reason mechanics are buying older vehicles right now. They understand what is coming. They understand that any vehicle built before model year 2027 is permanently exempt from this mandate. The supply of exempt vehicles is fixed. The demand is rising. The pricing reflects both. Here are the 5 American vehicles experienced mechanics are buying today. Number 1, the Dodge Ram 2500 with the 12-valve Cummins diesel, built from 1994 through 1998. This is the most mechanically reliable diesel pickup ever sold to American consumers. The 5.9-liter Cummins 6BT inline-6 diesel engine used in these trucks features mechanical fuel injection through a Bosch P7100 injection pump. No computer, no electronic injectors, no common rail high-pressure system. The engine produces power through pure mechanical action that any competent diesel mechanic can diagnose with a wrench and a pressure gauge. Examples crossing 600,000 miles on the original engine are documented. Fleet operators run these trucks past 1 million miles with periodic injector and pump rebuilds that any independent shop can perform. A clean 1996 12-valve Dodge Ram 2500 with the 5-speed manual transmission sells today between $22,000 and $40,000 depending on condition. 5 years ago, the same truck traded for $8,000 to $12,000. The market has already adjusted. It will adjust further. Number 2, the Chevrolet K1500 pickup, built on the GMT 400 platform from 1988 through 1998. This is the last full-size American pickup truck built with mechanical simplicity as a design priority. The 5.7-liter V8 Vortec engine in these trucks uses central port fuel injection, a cast iron block, cast iron heads, and a pushrod valvetrain that has powered American vehicles since 1955. The truck can be repaired by any qualified mechanic in any American county with standard hand tools. Parts cost a fraction of equivalent parts on European or Asian pickups. The body-on-frame chassis can be replaced section by section if rust damage occurs. Examples crossing 400,000 miles on the original engine are common. A 1996 K1500 Silverado with the 5.7-liter Vortec 4-wheel drive and clean title sells today between $12,000 and $22,000. The supply of clean examples is shrinking faster than collector demand can replace them. Hold on, because the next vehicle on this list is the one most American buyers have forgotten, and it is the most quietly recommended pickup truck in American mechanic communities. Number 3, the Ford F-150 with the 4.9-liter, 300 cubic inch inline 6 engine, Built from 1987 through 1996, the Ford 300 Straight 6 is one of the most reliable American engines ever produced. The engine architecture dates to 1965 with continuous refinement over 31 years of production. 7 main bearings, cast iron block, cast iron head, pushrod valvetrain, a simple 2-barrel fuel injection system from 1987 onward. The engine produces only 150 horsepower in its final configuration, which is the entire point. Low compression, low stress, long life. The 4.9-liter 300 engine routinely exceeds 300,000 miles in commercial fleet service. Plumbers, electricians, carpenters, and small contractors use these trucks as daily work vehicles for 15 and 20 years without major mechanical repair. A 1995 F-150 regular cab with the 4.9-liter 300 engine and a 5-speed manual transmission sells today between $8,000 and $15,000. The buyers acquiring these trucks are not collectors. They are working mechanics who recognize what this engine represents. Now pay attention because this next vehicle on the list is appreciating faster than anything else in this video. Number 4. The Mercury Grand Marquis was built on the Panther platform from 1990 through 2011. This is the platform sibling of the Ford Crown Victoria, sharing the same chassis, the same 4.6-liter modular V8 engine, the same 4-speed automatic transmission, and the same rear-wheel drive architecture. The Mercury Grand Marquis offered the same mechanical reliability as the Crown Victoria, but in a configuration aimed at private buyers rather than police fleets and taxi services. 21 years of continuous production on the same fundamental platform meant parts availability that no current American sedan can match. Repair procedures are documented across multiple generations of independent mechanics. The 4.6-liter V8 produces enough power for daily driving, while delivering fuel economy that modern V6 sedans struggle to match. A 2005 through 2011 Grand Marquis with low mileage and a clean title sells today for between $9,000 and $18,000. The price floor has risen by 50% over the past 3 years. The buyers are American families who recognize that no current American sedan offers the same combination of size, simplicity, and serviceability. Number 5. The Ford F-250 and F-350 Super Duty trucks with the 7.3-liter IDI diesel engine built from 1988 through 1994. This is the engine that came before the 7.3 Power Stroke. The IDI designation stands for indirect injection, referring to the engine's pre-chamber combustion design. Unlike the later Power Stroke that used electronic fuel injection through the HEUI system, the IDI 7.3 uses a mechanical Stanadyne DB2 rotary injection pump. No computer, no electronic injectors. The engine starts mechanically, runs mechanically, and stops mechanically. The only electronic component required for the engine to operate is the glow plug controller. The IDI 7.3 was used in commercial truck applications, motorhomes, school buses, and ambulance conversions for decades after Ford discontinued it in passenger trucks because the engine simply did not fail in normal service. Examples exceeding 800,000 miles on the original engine are documented. A 1993 F-250 with the IDI 7.3 manual transmission and clean title sells today between $14,000 and $25,000. The supply is essentially fixed. Every example destroyed by accident or rust reduces the available pool permanently. But this is not even the most significant detail about this list, because there is one factor that connects all 5 of these vehicles in a way most American buyers do not yet recognize. None of these vehicles have software locks. None of them transmit data to corporate servers. None of them require dealer authorization for major repairs. None of them require subscription services for full feature operation. None of them include the surveillance technology mandated for new vehicles after September 2027. The buyer who acquires any of these 5 vehicles owns the vehicle in a way that no purchaser of a new American truck or car will be able to own a vehicle after the implementation deadline. The mechanic communities buying these vehicles today understand this distinction clearly. The general buying public is just beginning to understand it. The market reflects this understanding. Used vehicle pricing data shows pre-2000 American pickups and full-size sedans appreciating at rates that exceed inflation by significant margins. The Dodge Ram 2500 with the 12-valve Cummins has appreciated approximately 150% over the past 5 years. The Chevrolet K1500 has appreciated approximately 100% over the same period. The Ford F-150 with the 4.9 300 has appreciated approximately 75%. The Mercury Grand Marquis has appreciated approximately 50%. The Ford IDI 7.3 diesel trucks have appreciated approximately 200%. These are not collector prices. These are working market prices set by buyers who plan to use these vehicles as daily transportation for the next decade or longer. The reason the prices will double again is straightforward. The September 2027 mandate will create a permanent dividing line between vehicles that include federal surveillance technology and vehicles that do not. Every existing pre-2027 vehicle is permanently exempt. New vehicle production lines will produce only vehicles with the mandated technology. The supply of exempt vehicles is fixed at whatever quantity exists on the road in September 2027. Demand will rise as buyers who reject the surveillance technology look for alternatives. The economic outcome is mathematically predictable. Limited supply, rising demand, higher prices. The buyers acquiring these vehicles today are not paying speculative prices. They are paying current market prices for vehicles that will be worth substantially more in 24 months. The mechanic communities are not investing. They are protecting themselves from a market shift that is publicly documented in federal legislation. The information is available to anyone who looks at the implementation timeline. The decision facing American buyers is straightforward. Buy a pre-2027 vehicle now at current prices or pay significantly more in 2027 and 2028 when the supply has been permanently fixed by the federal mandate. The 5 vehicles in this video are the most quietly recommended choices in the American mechanic community for buyers who want simple, repairable, surveillance-free transportation that will continue to be serviceable for decades. The buyers who act before September 2027 will own these vehicles at current prices. The buyers who wait will pay tomorrow's prices for the same vehicles, assuming clean examples remain available at all. Before the next video, one question. Do you own one of these 5 vehicles? A 12-valve Cummins Dodge, a GMT 400 Chevy, a 4.9 Ford, a Panther Platform Mercury, an IDI 7.3 diesel. What year? What mileage? What did you pay? Leave it in the comments below.